The official image for the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 and S24 Plus, have been leaked, revealing a full specification, upgraded cooling solution, and a sneak peek into more software features. The Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 on a S24 lineup is especially powerful, even outperforming the S27 Pro chip on an iPhone 15 Pro Max in both GPU and CPU. However, having a powerful chip is useless without an efficient cooling system. Samsung is increasing the size of the cooling pad on the S24 lineup. The vapor chamber cooling system on a S24 Ultra is 1.9 times bigger compared to the S23 Ultra. The S24 Plus follows with the 1.6 times bigger vapor chamber, and the standard S24 has a 1.5 times large vapor chamber compared to the S23. Full specification of the S24 lineup. S24 Ultra 5x zoom with a 50 megapixel camera, a shift from the previous 10x and 10 megapixel on the S23 Ultra. The periscope lens has been transferred to the resemble date of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it is expected to deliver improved performance in low light conditions. S24 1.8 GB storage, 256 GB for the Plus model, and increase in battery capacity and a Quad HD Plus resolution. S24 Plus 12 GB RAM and an AI power feature that allow you to highlight any given item on an image and find additional information about it. Photo editing is also made easier with the AI assistant. The phone will also have real-time messaging translation support for the 12 languages.